Hi, Bill Nye the Science Guy here, and welcome to Innoventions. Are there any questions so far? Yeah, you in the back. What are innoventions? Oh, that's a great question. When you combine the word innovation with the word inventions, you get innoventions. And because innoventions are based on human ideas, innoventions will always get better.
Hey, up here! Hey, muscle boy! Hold it!
We want people to hear our side.
We hate innoventotation.
Yeah.
That's innoventions.
We don't like new words either. I'm skeptical of anything new.
Yeah.
I suppose you're all skeptical.
No, I'm skeptical.
No, I'm uncertain. Well, maybe uncertain isn't the right word. Perhaps hesitant would be better. Oh, but I really like uncertain. At least I think I like it.
I think we got it.
Good.
And you?
I'm suspicious. Who wants to know?
I do. I'm Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Ooh.
How do we know you're Bill Nye, the science guy? You could be just Bill Nye, a science guy.
I know who you guys are. You're the clouds of doubt.
Yes.
And you've been hanging over scientists and inventors for ages.
Well, hey, somebody's got to stop these crackpots.
Yeah.
Hey, you can't trust him.
Lucky for us, you guys aren't very good at your job.
Hey.
15 years in the union,
Have you ever heard of Harvey Schmelding and his hot pepper slipper?
Oh, no?
and you never will either.
We rest our case.
Hang on. Didn't you try to tell Irmo Fraze that his aluminum pop-top can would never work?
Yeah, we told him to keep a lid on it.
He kept popping up at us.
Oh, that is very funny.
I'll bet you tried to discourage Melita Benz when she was developing a drip coffee filter system.
I told her, working in coffee has no perks.
Perks. Is that funny?
Yeah.
And you probably tried to keep Garrett Morgan from inventing the automatic traffic signal.
Which one was he?
You remember the guy we tried to stop?
But he kept going, didn't he? And haven't you guys learned by now that successful scientists and inventors don't listen to a word you say?
Oh, yeah? You listen to us.
Yeah, we stopped you from inventing the electric 3-ring binder.
Hey, you guys, I was 10 years old.
And how about that bicycle-powered vacuum cleaner of yours?
Hey, you know, that wasn't such a that was okay. Whoa, wait a minute.
Well, I guess that takes care of him.
Don't count on it.
Okay, sure.
Oh.
Some ideas are just big old mistakes. And others won't work because they're not looked at closely enough. But for every mistake, a successful invention comes along that makes our lives just a little better. And remember, whether it's an electric 3-ring binder or a supercomputer, every invention starts out as an idea. We've all had ideas,
Speak for yourself.
at least most of us. It's that moment of illumination when inspiration strikes. Can come from anywhere, really. Sometimes it just comes screaming out of the blue. Like when Percy Spencer was working with radio waves and noticed that a piece of candy had melted in his pocket. And this, of course, led to
Big dry cleaning bills.
a microwave oven. Now, you might say that he was just lucky. And luck has a lot to do with it. But
Hey, where did he go now?
Who knows?
good scientists and inventors tune into the world around them. They observe nature. They learn and understand scientific principles. They look at what's been done before, and then they stretch their imaginations to come up with something new.
Cool.
Oh, doesn't that hurt?
I hope so.
Hey, I didn't know there was going to be a pop quiz.
I don't know if I'm ready.
Here's a stretch. What do burrs stuck on clothes have to do with invention?
Careful. This is a trick question.
After hiking in the Swiss Alps, George de Mestral noticed that he had gotten burrs stuck all over his clothes. He looked at them carefully and saw that they had tiny hooks which had linked to loops in the fabric. He tuned into what nature had done. He stretched his imagination and he saw a new way to fasten clothes. He invented, voila, Velcro.
That does it. From now on, we're going to work twice as hard to rein on these brainstorms.
And before you guys get all riled up, I had an idea.
An
idea?
Quick, stop him, douse him.
Stop that idea!
Take that, science guy.
That'll teach him!
Give it up. It'll never work.
I mean, it wasn't that great an idea. It was just a thought.
Don't stop now!
Let him have it.
Give it to him good!
Quick, hurricane the guy.
Oh no, not you!
Out of my way, Fog Brain. It's time for me to take over.
Hey, easy! I barely knew these guys. I never really trusted them, honest. Ah!
Is it getting warm in here?
Or is it just me?
Uh-oh.
Folks, meet perseverance. Perseverance means sticking with it. And it's the best thing for drying up even the stormiest cloud of doubt.
May I start by saying you've never looked better. You did something to your rays, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
Oh, I swear you look about 1,000 years younger. No, I mean it. Whoa!
Thanks, Perseverance. I knew you'd come through.
Oh, no problem. I've been helping scientists and inventors for as long as I can remember.
You're full of hot air. You haven't done anything important since the wheel.
Oh, yeah? What about these?
Stay away from me, you big ball of gas. I mean it.
Who said there's nothing new under the sun? Oh, that reminds me. I hope you find the innoventions in the exhibits around you as fascinating as I do, because this is just the beginning. With science and perseverance
Thank you.
and people like yourselves stretching your imagination, there will always be new innoventions at the end of the rainbow.
Hey, so what about your idea?
Can't remember it.
Was it that electric 3-ring binder?
Would you guys stop with the binder thing? I was just a kid. Thanks for coming, everyone. I gotta fly. Bill Nye, the Science Guy.